Hi, that's logo showtime face make.
What?
That's logo showtime face make.
What? I can't quite understand you. No, it isn't the volume. It's the arrangement of the words. You see, it's not really a linear thought yet. Okay. Welcome to the Logo Show, where we show you the logos.
Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report.
A few shows ago, I asked my faithful viewers to scour all that they knew about beauty, innately and culturally, and to bring me a logo. A logo that would be an instant classic. Something true, and perhaps a little violent. Some logos were a little emo. Some had my face on cats. Some people put cats on my face. Some had shaved gerbils. I don't know where you guys get the idea that I'm into that sort of thing. Are they shaved? Can I put them in my mouth, please? I think it's 2 testicles dipped into ink and then slapped onto a piece of paper. At least that's what I see. Why? What am I supposed to see? Some transformed me into a kitten, some look like a dookie dick, and some just look like a dick. Oh my gosh. That's foul. In the end, there were over 100 logos, all of which I'll show you now. As I could not decide on one, I have several that I will employ. You see, there are 2 sides to the Gradual Report. There's the smart, noble, regal side, where we visit the White House and we try to speak to the president about issues. On the other hand, there's the silly, retarded, degenerative, I like to rape things that go squeak in the night side, where we go to the White House with 300 douche nozzles. I've got some for the corporate letterhead, then I've got one for the secret society that will one day rise up and destroy the corporation. I'll see you tasty little lemon drops tomorrow.